Good afternoon, P1 students. How are you today? I forgot to plug in my headphone. Hello, my check. There we go. Okay, so sorry about that. So today is Tuesday and it's the 30th of June 2020. So today teacher will explain once again our project for term 4. Okay, so the learning target for today is I can understand how to do my project. Remember last time teacher said that you're gonna have two options, right? So before I will discuss more about the options, let's look first. Here I put a note. So you're going to draw or paste pictures of pushes and pulls, a minimum of 5 pictures. So again, so if you would like to draw pictures of people or you doing some pushes and pulls, so you're gonna draw it like, for example, this is a paper, right? So in this paper you're gonna write pull on the side. So pull. So here under pull you're gonna draw all the pictures that shows pulling, right, or pull. And then you're gonna need another paper, one more paper for push. So in push you can draw pictures of people or anything that pushes, right, over here. So again you're gonna need 5 pictures and up. So if you draw one picture for push and pull, then no. If you're going to draw only 2, then no, that's not correct. If you're going to draw 3 pictures of pushes and and then another paper for 3 pictures for pulls, then that's not correct. Again, minimum of limit of 5 and up. So you can do 5 up to 20 pictures, 5 up to 10 pictures, 5 and up to 15 pictures, like that. So for option 1, so again, this one, the note is for option 1 and 2. So this note applies to option 1 and 2. Okay, again, for option 1, you are going, so if option 1 are, if you have no access for printer, or you cannot find a printer, or if you prefer to draw, then option 1 is good for you. So again, for option 1, so you can only choose option 1 and option 2, okay? So if you choose option 1, so you are going to draw 5 or more. Again, 5 up means 5 or more pictures of pushes in one paper. And then you're going to draw 5 and up or 5 or more pictures of pulls on the other paper. Right? So that's for option 2. Now, for option 1. So draw and color. So you draw and then you color. So again, option 1, this applies when you cannot access, if you have no printer, you cannot find a printing shop, or if you like to draw. So you choose option 1. Now, teacher, how about option 2? For option 2, it's quite easy, only if you have access to a printer, or if you can find a printing shop, a shop where you can print papers or documents. So for option 2, again, this is only applies if you have access to printer, if you can find a printing shop, and if you don't like to draw. So for option 2, you can print. So first thing, you have to print the document. I will attach this document to our, what's this? So you can just print this page and this page. So what are we going to do in option 2? For option 2, again, you're going to check this picture and identify if they are push or they are pull. Then after you identify, you cut them. So these are squares. So this one is not square, but you can just like cut it in square, right? So you can, and then you're going to need a paper again. Same with option 1. You're gonna need a paper, and then you're gonna write push. And then on this paper, you're going to paste or glue the cut papers that you have, right? So you're going to cut the papers that are push, the pictures that shows pushes, and then the other one, pictures that shows pulls. So again, minimum of 5 pictures, so it's up to you if you want to just paste 5 pictures of pushes and 5 pictures of what's this, pulls. But again, it's up until whatever you want. So you can cut all the pictures like this. You can cut all the pictures and then paste it to where it belongs. And if you need more paper, then you might need, for option 2, you might need 2 papers. Okay, 2 for pulls and 2 for pushes. So if you if you like to have one, then just make sure to it will look nice. Okay, so again, you have option 1. If you have no access for internet and printer, and if you cannot print and you prefer to draw. And for option 1 is if you have access to printer, you can find a printing shop, then you can just cut. Okay, no need to color and no need to draw for option 2. All right, that will be all. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Goodbye.